What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly view an extension page in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is click the three dots on the upper right in Chrome and just head over to extensions, click and manage extensions. You will find the extension, but instead of clicking on Chrome Web Store on the left side, and then you want to go ahead and let's say search for this extension right here in Chrome web store and hit enter, and then you will have to search for it manually until you find it. I'm going to show you the best way how you can quickly view an extension page in Chrome. So you want to go ahead and find the extension that you have and click on the details right here. Within this section here, if you scroll down towards the bottom, you will find this option that says view in Chrome Web Store. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to the exact page of that extension in Chrome. And so you can see all the information about the extension directly from here. You can see the ratings, you can share it, you can basically read the overview and you can see more and all of those things, the features, details, everything you need to know about the extension. So if this is something that you're quickly looking for, this is how you can easily find and quickly view an extension page on the Chrome Web Store. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.